What's up, everybody? Today I'm in Lehi, Utah, and I'm going to show you how to replace this broken spray nozzle. So what I have here is a 10-foot full pattern, and I need to cover this area, which is like a little 360 area in the front yard. So let's get started. Tools I need are some channel locks and then a flathead screwdriver if needed to kind of pop up the sprinkler nozzle. But what we have here is, if you look at the top of this sprinkler nozzle, that 10F stands for 10-foot spray pattern, but the F stands for a full, so it's a 360 nozzle. So I can cover this area. But what we have here is the top has come off of here, and all we have is that little center screw. So I'm going to take these channel locks, lock onto this center screw here. You can see that, and I will pull the sprinkler head up. This is a 4-inch pop-up that I'm working with. So, give me a little bit of trouble. Okay. So I basically just grab the top of the head and I hold the shaft. So there's two separations. So you have the shaft here and then this threaded nozzle. So I'm going to unthread the head, or the nozzle, take that off, and then I will take this little filter out, which screens everything out of the sprinkler head. And then I'll put a new filter in. And when you buy these nozzles, they will always come with a filter. Then I've got my 10-foot full spray pattern. I'm going to take that, screw that onto the head clockwise, make sure I'm tight, and then you don't have to worry about the spray pattern because, like I said, that's a 360 pattern, so it's going to shoot in this area and then directly behind me. So that is how you replace a rainbird sprinkler nozzle on a 4-inch pop-up head. And there's the old one. I replaced the filter, so we are good to go. Let that pop back down into the sprinkler body, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.